Welcome to day 18 of our series. Today, we are exploring how to streamline slide construction and design using Microsoft Copilot. We have all been there. You open PowerPoint, stare at a blank slide, and feel stuck. Let's look at how to overcome this. Copilot changes the game. By moving from manual construction to using Copilot, you can transform a 3-hour task into just 45 minutes of editing. To start, open PowerPoint, click on the Home tab, and select the Copilot icon to begin your workflow. We follow a simple 4-step blueprint to build a complete presentation: generating a draft, visualizing data, refining slides, and writing speaker notes. Step 1 is generating the draft. Simply type your prompt, and Copilot will read your request and build the initial outline for you. For the best results, use the perfect prompt formula. Combine your task, the intended audience, and your desired format to get a great slide. Step 2 is visualizing your data. Request an image, and Copilot will create it for you, saving you valuable time spent searching for the right visuals. Step 3 is refining the slide. Since the first draft is often rough, ask Copilot to edit the text for clarity or conciseness. Finally, Step 4 is writing your speaker notes. If you need a script, simply ask Copilot to generate them based on your content. Always remember the golden rule: review. Copilot is a tool that can make mistakes, so always read the content and check your facts. When you find a prompt that works exceptionally well, save it. You can reuse your best work tomorrow to save even more time. To summarize this video, know the tool, use the prompt formula, and always maintain control over your final output. Your action item for today is to open PowerPoint, build a 3-slide deck using these steps, and prepare for our next session.